With Nairobi leading in the number of COVID-19 infections, City Governor Mike Sonko has unveiled 50 sanitation booths meant to keep the virus at bay. In one of the booths stationed at the Kencom bus stage, Sonko led city residents in sanitizing against the virus, in line with World Health Organization directives.
We actually have 50 number, the booths that have been installed. We are installing them in different populated areas. Already Kibra is done, the CBD is done, many parts in Eastlands have been done. So the focus is to ensure that we cover as much of the city as possible, especially in bus stations and any other populated areas where people gather.
Nairobi still leads in the number of coronavirus infections, with the latest casualty an imam in Eastleigh, where National Assembly Majority Leader Aden Duale led the business community and Muslim scholars in sensitizing residents on the pandemic, warning of a looming lockdown if residents fail to adhere to government guidelines on containing the virus.
There's a serious fumigation going on in all the malls in preparation for opening once they comply with the health regulation, just like Parliament, just like the judiciary. And two, what we are doing today is we are talking to the people of Eastleigh in our own language, the message, to make sure that they stay at home, they wear masks when they're going to buy things and out, they avoid unnecessary movement.
The Eastleigh business community has since Saturday closed their operations after the death of the Muslim cleric caused widespread fears of infection within the tightly knit community. Duale now says shops will only reopen if the community abides by the Ministry of Health guidelines. Wearing masks, social distancing and washing hands still remains the most effective ways of fighting the pandemic as researchers continue to look for an effective vaccine. Kamau, K24 Punchline.